This is a day in my life as a tattoo artist. I had one small appointment and then I also tattooed a walk-in client. We decided quite last minute to visit the State Tattoo Expo in Pasadena. It's a 2-hour drive from Bakersfield. I got ready in the car, changed my clothes, and fixed my makeup because everything's just melting off in this heat. We arrived in Pasadena. Pasadena is such a gorgeous city. I would really love to spend some more time here. It was Sunday, so the last day of the expo, and we only had about 2 hours before it closed. But we wanted to come anyway because we had some friends we wanted to see. There are a lot of competitions on the last day, so we had fun seeing many of those. I was super hungry because I hadn't eaten lunch, so I had a great big cookie and some beer. We also made plans about where we're going to go next year, and I'm super excited about that. News on that really soon. Then we went to the Cheesecake Factory. We didn't get any cheesecake the last time we were in Pasadena, and I was really sad about that, so we definitely needed to get some this time. Then we had the long drive back to Bakersfield.